Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Princess Kitchen once again. If today is the first time you are watching me, I want to welcome you. And to all my subscribers out there, I want to thank you and welcome you as well. Today is a cold weather day, and I said, okay, why don't I make some light soup and chill with it? It's my off day as well. So I looked through my window and I saw outside. I said, the weather out there is very bad. It's very cold, as they always say, Canada way anemia, anemia. So I said, okay, why don't I go through my freezer and get some stuff, and make some light soup with it instead of taking hot tea. I'd rather drink hot pepper soup. Now, guys, these are the ingredients I'm gonna need for this winter weather light soup. I have tilapia fried one, mackerel which is fried, and 2 smoked fish. I have turkey. This is the smoked one that I bought. I bought the wings and the neck. I bought from the African store and they cut it for me. That's why it's looking so beautiful. It's nicely washed as well. I have 2 onions, 1 large and small size. I have 3 bay leaves. I have 2 cubes, anise seed, garlic, pepper, fresh tomatoes, and ginger. And sorry, I forgot. I nearly forgot about this one. And I have my 10 tomatoes that I'm gonna use for this delicious light soup. So guys, stay tuned and let's start the soup. So guys, now I have my turkey in the saucepan. So I will just add my diced onion, blended ginger, garlic, onion, and anise seed to it as well. And I'll also add my 3 bay leaves to it, and also add my 2 cubes. I'm not going to add any salt to it at this time because the turkey has salt and the cubes also has salt, right? So I will just cover and let it steam for about 15 minutes. So while steaming, I will just blend my peppers. I'm taking 6 of it. So if you don't like pepper, please don't take too much, okay? Your soup is still gonna be nice. It's gonna taste good without pepper. But my family, we like pepper. We like to taste pepper in our food. That's why I'm taking 6 and I strain it to get all the seed from it. Now the turkey is doing very well, so I'm gonna stir and clean the sides of the saucepan. As you can see, it's doing very well. The smell that is coming out from the turkey, it's so amazing. Now I added the 10 tomatoes, about 1 tablespoonful of it, and also covered and let it steam for about 5 minutes, and added the fresh tomatoes to it as well. Now it's okay. Now I'm taking the tomatoes out and I will just put it aside and give it a good stir. So after stirring, I will just add my smoked catfish to it. Adwene ewo hwe bia anase flavor bia ewo nkwama ma nkwan ne de. Aisa wo de apata aye nkwan. It makes the soup delicious. Yemfa anye nkwan si epe bia wi wo de here for flavor no keke so. So I covered, and after about 5 minutes, now look how it's looking. So I'm gonna add the blended pepper to it as well. I told you we are making hot pepper light soup. It's cold out there and we want the body to be warm, right? So you have to make sure your pepper is quite hot, not too much. If you don't like pepper, take only 1. Now I've added the fried fish to it, the tilapia and the mackerel. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it, and you give it a good stir. Guys, now basically we are done with the soup. So I'm adding a little bit of salt to it because I tasted and the salt wasn't enough. The reason why I did not add salt in the beginning is because the turkey has salt and 2 cubes, you can imagine, has salt as well. But after adding the water to it, it doesn't have any salt in it at all. So I added about 1 teaspoonful of salt to it, or half a tablespoon to it. So you give it a good stir, just stir it gently. I covered and now I open, you see? It's boiling. I blended the fresh tomatoes and I've added to it. So guys, after stirring, I'm gonna leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes and then we are done. Yes, we are done. It's very simple and easy to do. So I'm gonna leave it and on medium heat and allow the soup to boil. Okay, so I'm gonna see you when we are serving. Yes, it's done, guys. Look, look, look. The soup, the soup, the soup. The soup tastes so amazing. Let's serve ourselves. Hey, are you tilapia back? Are you mackerel? Hey, sister. Every obession is so. Hey, what you taking so back? Guys, the soup it's delicious. Please kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell to get all the updates from Princess Kitchen. Okay, guys, thank you all once again. Until then, we will meet another time.